everyone, myself Rajpirakar and you are watching News Moment English channel. Welcome to this channel. Have a look on this breaking news. India COVID-19 tally mounted to 2,49,65,463 on Monday with 2,81,386 fresh cases, the lowest in 27 days, while the death count climbed to 2,74,390 as 4,106 more people succumbed to the disease, according to the Union Health Ministry data. The number of active cases stand at 35,16,997, accounting for 14.09% of total infection. The national recovery rate has improved to 84.81%. The data update at 8 a.m. showed the number of people who have recovered from the disease and surged to 2 crore 11,74,076, while the cases fatality rate stand at 1.10%, it stated. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Healthy water for a healthy family. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Toll free number 1800258760. Proper nutrition and hydration are vital. People who eat a well-balanced diet tend to be healthier with a stronger immunity system and lower risk of chronic illness and infection disease. So you should eat a variety of fresh and unprocessed food every day to get the vitamins, mineral, dietary, fiber, protein and antioxidant your body needs. Drink enough water, avoid sugar, fat, salt to significantly lower your risk of overweight, obesity, heart disease, stroke, diabetes and certain types of cancer. Eat fresh and unprocessed foods every day. Eat fresh and unprocessed food every day. Eat fruit, vegetable, lentils, that is lentils and beans, nut and whole grains, that is unprocessed, maize, millet, oats, wheat, brown rice or starchy tubers or roots such as potato, yam, taro and kashwa, and foods from animal sources, that is meat, fish, egg and milk. Daily, eat 2 cups of fruit for serving, 2.5 cup of vegetable of serving, 180 gram of grain, 160 gram of meat. Of meats and bean, red meat can be eaten 1 to 2 times per week and poultry 2 to 3 times per week. For snacks, choose raw vegetable and fresh fruit rather than foods that are high in sugar, fat or salt. Do not overcook vegetables and fruit as this can lead to loss of important vitamins. When using canned or dried vegetable and fruits, choose variety without added salt or sugar. Drink enough water every day. Water is essential for life. It transports nutrition and compound in blood, regulates your body temperature, gets rid of waste and lubricates and cushions joint. Drink 8 to 10 cup of water every day. Water is best choice, but you can also consume other drinks, fruit and vegetable that contain water, for example lemon juice, diluted in water and unsweetened tea and coffee, but be careful not to consume too much caffeine and avoid sweetened fruit juice, syrups, fruit juice, concentrate, fizzy, and still drinks as they all contain sugar. Eat moderate amount of fat oil. Consume unsaturated fat that is found in fish. Advocate nuts, olive oil, soya, canola, sunflower, corns oil rather than starter fat that is found in fatty meat, butter, coconut oil, cream, cheese, ghee, and lard. Choose white meat, that is poultry, and fish, which are generally low in fat rather than red meat. Avoid processed meat because they are high in fat and salt. Where possible, OPT for low fat or reduced fat version of milk and dairy product. Avoid industrially processed trans fat. These are often found in processed food, fast food, snack food, fried food, frozen pizza, pippies, cookies, migraines, and spared. Eat less salt and sugar. When cooking and preparing food, limit the amount of the salt and high sodium condiments, that is soya sauce and fish sauce. Limit your daily salt intake or to less than 5 kg, approximately 1 teaspoon, and use iodine salt. Avoid food, that is snacks, that are high in salt and sugar. Limit your intake of soft drinks or sodas and other drinks that are high in sugar, that is fruit juice, concentrate, and syrups, flavored milk, and yogurt drinks. Choose fresh fruits instead of sweet snacks such as cookies, cake, and chocolates. Avoid eating out. Eat at home to reduce your rate of contact with other people and lower your chance of being exposed to COVID 19. We recommend it. Maintaining a distance at least 1 meter between yourself and anyone who is coughing or sneezing. That is not always possible in crowded social settings like restaurants and cafes. Droplet from infected people may land on surface and people hand, that is customer and staff, and with lots of people coming and going, you cannot tell if hands are being washed regularly enough and surfaces are being cleaned and disinfected fast enough. Counseling and physical social support. While proper nutrition and hydration improve health and immunity, they are not magic bullets. People living with chronic illness who have suspected or confirmed COVID 19 may need support with their mental health and diet to ensure they keep in good health. Seek and counseling and physical social support from appropriately trained health care professionals and also community based lay and peer counselor. Ocean Open Scholarship Test for class 7 to 12th student. Get up to 50% scholarship for season 21 to 22. Motion Durgapur Center 9434822278. Julia Vikas Prasad, according to him, reporting health worker of Raghunathpur municipality of the district are providing regular health service to deal with the situation of corona to keep the environment free from bacterial pollution. Let it know that almost every day there are reports of corona infection under Raghunathpur municipality area. People are worried about this. In the public interest to prevent corona infection, a strict lockdown is going on in the area as per instruction issued by the state government. share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. And rest is after this break. On Tuesday morning, a young man drowned while bathing in Damodar River near Bhutnath Temple in Baranpur. Seeing the young man drowning, the two friends ran to call the people making noise. When the news reached Hirapur police station, the police come with the help of locals took him out to the district hospital. There, the doctor declared him dead. The deceased has been identified as Supriya Sen, age 18, son of Dulal Sen, a resident of Shyamban, Hirapur police station. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. And rest is after this break. A virtual NJCS meeting was held on Tuesday morning near Bhutnath Temple in Baranpur regarding the pending salary agreement of Damodar SAIL persons. Despite some result, the union could not get 15% MGB, 35% and 9% pension amount for 10 years. Instead, on giving more than 50 crore in salary agreement fund after 680 crore by the management. Action taken against NJCS Bihali Steel Plant employees. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. And rest is after this break. The Purulia City Youth Trinamool Congress on Tuesday set up a kitchen called Didi Ranna Ghar. In an innovative experiment, Purulia District Chairman Sujay Bandhopadhyay, Trinamool District Convener Suhasen Chandra Manji and others leaders were present on the occasion. According to the information, Purulia City Youth Trinamool Congress provide free meals to relatives of the patient of Sadar Hospital of Purulia City and migrant workers from different places.
তো এই বন্ধুর সঙ্গে খাবার পেয়েছিলে কোথাও হোটেলে? হ্যাঁ, তাহলে এখানে ব্যবস্থাটা কীরকম লাগলো? খাবারে কি কি দিল? খাবারে কি কি দিল? কি কি খাবারে দিয়েছে? ভালো লেগেছে তো?
এবং এই লকডাউন ঘোষণায় যারা হাসপাতালে যে সমস্ত রোগীরা ভর্তি আছে তাদের যারা ঘরের লোক যারা তাদেরকে দেখাশোনা করতে সেবা করতে আসে, এই লকডাউনের জন্য কোনো হোটেল বা কোনো কিছু কোনো দোকান কোথাও কিছু খোলা না পাওয়ায় তারা না খেয়ে আছে, তাদের খুব কষ্ট। সেই কষ্টকে লাঘব করার জন্য টাউন যুব তৃণমূল একটা প্রস্তাব দেয় যে ওদের পাশে দাঁড়াবো এবং ওদেরকে খাবারের ব্যবস্থা করবো। আমি তখন তাদেরকে বলি যে ঠিক আছে, আমাদের তো আমাদের মমতা ব্যানার্জির মা ক্যান্টিন আছে, ঠিক ওই ধরনেরই আমাদের একটা নাম দেওয়া হোক দিদির রান্নাঘর। সেইখানে এলেই সবাইকার কাছে প্রচার হবে এবং এখানে এসে সবাই খেতে পাবে। সেই ব্যাপারে একটু অ্যাডভার্টাইজমেন্ট হোক। আর আপনারা যারা আছেন তাদেরকেও বলছি, আমরা জায়গা রান্নাটা করছি, কাল থেকে আরও সেটা বাড়াবো। এমনি যত আছে যারাই খেতে পাবে না তাদের জন্য যতদিন পর্যন্ত লকডাউন চলবে ততদিন পর্যন্ত ডাল ভাত সবজি, কোনোদিন ডিম ভাত, কোনোদিন সোয়াবিনের সাথে আরও কিছু দিয়ে ভাস ক্লাস করে তরকারি করে ভাত,
মানে মধ্যাহ্নের
ব্যবস্থাটা আমরা করব। এবং কথা দেখছি যদি রাত্রেও দিতে হয়, রাত্রেও 2-10 জন যদি থাকে তাদেরকেও খাবার ব্যবস্থা করা হবে।
Please Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. And rest is after this break. Corona pandemic in West Bengal has taken a terrible turn. 4 to 5 people are dying almost every day. In West Bardhaman district, the hundreds of people are admitted to various hospitals in the district due to corona. Although the state government has announced a partial lockdown to prevent corona infection, the number of people taking to the streets unnecessarily is not described at all. The police administration has taken several initiatives to make people homeless. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. And rest is after this break. Railway alerts common people against fraudulent phone call expending help to execute help in railway procurement and training and recruitment. Asansol recently a fraud case has come to the notice of Asansol Railway Administration where a business house of Asansol was given phone calls in name of high railway officers of Asansol division for supply of some material. They were trapped and cheated with a good amount of money. On getting such information, Asansol Railway Administration immediately reacted upon it by starting investigation. Alongside intensive campaign has also been launched for awareness of general public so that they are not cheated by such fake spam calls. Such fraud cases through fake phone calls are often seen in banking and other financial sector. Now the same has happened in the name of railway. Asansol division clearly state that for any officer, procurement of material, training, recruitment, manpower, etc., that interested person may follow to the concerned Eastern Railway official website only to take action accordingly. Railway never make call directly to any person or agency in this regard. As a step toward public awareness, Asansol division issued press release to different dailies, installed poster, flex banner at different consumption place in Asansol area, including at Hutton Road Bazaar, Galaxy Mall, Electronic Market, Drug Market, Durga Market, Bus Stand Mode, Centrum Mall, etc. Announcement at all stations in Asansol division and through Radio Red FM has been done to create general awareness amongst public to curb this fraudulent activity. It is retained that if anyone a phone call is received from anybody in the name of railway official extending help to execute any procurement work, manpower and engagement, etc., it should be considered as a fake and inappropriate. No financial transaction to be done by anybody based on such fake and spam phone call. If anyone phone call is received, he may immediately contact RPF Security Control phone call number 900-2023-756, Railway Helpline number 139. Contact RPF person or Assistant Security Commandant RPF Asansol mobile numbers 900-20 230. Zero responsibility and liability for paying against fake spam phone calls lie only on the individual who is falling in the illegal trap, and railway shall is no way be held responsible. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, Contact editor 9563830285, and rest is after this break. Two Mamata Banerjee minister and two other leaders arrested on Monday morning in Baibredi case had their bails up to hold late in the evening after the CBI challenged their bail in the Calcutta High Court. Bengal Minister Firhad Hakim and Subrata Mukherjee were arrested earlier Monday morning in the Narada Baibredi case. So where Trinamool MLA Madan Mitra and Sovan Chatterjee, who went from the Trinamool to BJP but quit that party too. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285, and rest is after this break. At around 7:25 a.m. the Tuesday morning at Asansol station during the round LC Pooja Patel and SI Subra Day of RPF West Post approached two girls aged about 17 and 15 near the main gate and station saw moving around. He tried to flee at first in a suspicious manner, but on further interrogation he revealed his name and identity. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285, and rest is after this break. To protect against the growing corona outbreak, DVC authorities sanitize their staff quarters and surrounding area, as well as DVC primary and high school, pump house, Hydel and state police, Naka Point state human right and women's right. Sanitization was carried out in different areas of left bank through the effort of Vikas Sanstha and Damodar Valley Corporation.
सारी टीम जुड़ी हुई है, जुड़ के हम लोग लगे हुए हैं, पूरी तरह से चेस्ट हैं कि कोरोना का प्रकोप जितना कम से कम यहाँ हो सके, कॉलोनी वाले को बचा सकें, चाहे वो डीवीसी एम्प्लॉई हों या रहने वाले लोग हों जो इसके पेरीफेरी के अंदर आते हैं रहने वाले, सबके लिए हम लोग पूरा प्रयत्नशील हैं। डीवीसी इसी में लगी हुई है, उसी के तहत हम ये काम कर रहे हैं और एक पीरियडिकल रूटीन हम लोग बनाया हुआ है कि हम लोग सैनिटाइज करते रहेंगे जब तक कोरोना पूरी तरह खत्म नहीं हो जाता। सर थोड़ा हाईलाइट किया गया है, वहाँ मीटिंग में बात हुई है, उसके भी जानते हैं टेंडरिंग प्रोसेस चलता है, उसका भी टेंडरिंग हो रहा है, किसी का टेंडर ओपन हो, किसी एरिया का टेंडर ओपन भी हो चुका है प्राइस बिड, तो अब धीरे काम शुरू होना दिखाई देने लगेगा आप लोग को, काम शुरू होगा, बहुत जल्दी काम शुरू हो जाएगा सारा।
सर कोविड को लेकर के किस किस पॉइंट पर आप लोग काम कर रहे हैं?
कोविड को लेकर जो गाइडलाइंस आई हुई हैं गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की, झारखंड गवर्नमेंट की या वेस्ट बंगाल गवर्नमेंट जो गाइडलाइन आती है उसको पूरा फॉलो करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, हम लोग पूरी फॉलो कर रहे हैं हम लोग इसको।
सर डीवीसी के अपनी अस्पताल है सर, उसमें किस तरह का सर सुविधा आप लोग रखे हैं अपने मरीजों
का भी नहीं जवाब दे पाएंगे, ये सीएमओ साहब जवाब दे पाएंगे आपको, इसके बारे में डिटेल्स वही बता पाएंगे। हम चूँकि ये सैनिटाइजर की बात में हो रही है तो उसके साथ हम बात कर रहे थे आपसे, वो हम बता रहे हैं आपको।
सर आपका परिचय?
मैं संजय प्रियदर्शी, असिस्टेंट मैनेजर और सिविल डिपार्टमेंट से मैं अटैच्ड हूँ, और जो सैनिटाइजर वगैरह हो रहा है कॉलोनी के अंदर या क्वार्टर के अंदर उसके लिए मैं देखभाल कराता हूँ, ऐसे वाटर सप्लाई का इंचार्ज हूँ।
कल भी करवाए थे, कोविड का जिस तरह मामला बढ़ रहा है उस हिसाब से हम लोग अपने एरिया को सुरक्षित रखने के लिए डीवीसी के माध्यम से सैनिटाइज करवा रहे हैं। आज भी करवाए हैं और कल भी करवाएंगे और कल से करवा भी रहे हैं हम लोग। अभी पूरा जितना लेट बैंक एरिया कलानी से एरिया है, ये जब तक फुल सैनिटाइज नहीं होगा तब तक अभी हम लोग कार्यक्रम चलते रहेंगे।
साफ सफाई भी बहुत जगह,
साफ सफाई का भी प्रोग्राम रखा गया है और नाला वाला में भी हम लोग ब्लीचिंग का प्रोग्राम रखे हैं कि सब जगह छिड़काव करेंगे और जितना भी गंदगी है अब सब उसका भी सफाई के लिए हम लोग बात हुआ है, इसके बाद में वो भी सफाई होगा सर।
ये डीवीसी की तरफ से किया जा रहा है?
जी डीवीसी के माध्यम से किया जा रहा है।
आपका भी संस्था की तरफ से आपने कुछ लिए हैं आपके?
नहीं, संस्था माध्यम से भी लिए हुए हैं और मेरे माध्यम से ही डीवीसी की तरफ से हो रहा है। हमने बात की थी डीजीएम सर से, जिनके माध्यम से ये सैनिटाइज हो रहा है।
आपका नाम?
अनुज सिंह, राष्ट्रीय मानवाधिकार महिला बाल विकास आयोग से पश्चिम बंगाल अध्यक्ष, स्टेट प्रेसिडेंट।
share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. And rest is after this break. Is not that strongest of species that surveys are not the most intelligent but the one most responsive to change. Charles Darwin, 1809. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.